Ang may bahay ni dating Pangulong Manuel Luis Quezon na si Aurora Antonia Aragon Quezon ang siyang nanguna sa pagpapasinaya sa Quezon Medical Center na noong una ay Quezon Memorial Hospital noong taong 1948. Yan ang naging pahayag ng apo ng dating Pangulo na si Gabriel Quezon Avancenia na naging panauhin sa pagdiriwang ng ikasandaang taon ng nasabing pagamutan. Anya, si Lola Nene kung tawagin ito, ang siyang nanguna sa mga programang pangkalusugan noong panahon ng dating Pangulo.
Lolo was the visionary, the leader, and my Lola Nene was the heart. They both had the love for the poor and less fortunate. They both believed in social justice and health care. But Lola Nene was the one that was directly involved with these humanitarian activities. She believed providing health care for all was a top priority. After the war, she became the first chairperson of the Philippine National Red Cross that helped rebuild this country from the damages of war.
Hinikayat pa nito ang mga kawani na nasabing pagamutan na ituloy ang ligasiya ng kanyang lolo at lola para sa mga mahihirap na mamamayan ng lalawigan.
To continue its legacy for the next 100 years, I urge you to follow in the footsteps of my Lola Nene, to put yourself out there, to those in need, to the less fortunate of our people, and provide the best medical care for all without prejudice or selfish interests. To continue to preserve the legacy and integrity of this institution. But most of all, let us do it Lola Nene's way. Let us do it with our hearts. Love for our profession, love for our fellow men, love for the less fortunate, and above all, love for this institution.
Bert Abrigo nag-uulat para sa DZDG 96.7 Destiny Radio at your service.